All right, so I'm just recording the video to show you the app that I've created right after our interview because I was trying to contact the different guys that I worked with, and it was taking some time. So I decided to quickly create a new app from the scratch that was a full stack app to share with you guys. And I'll send you the other links as soon as I get them. So here is what I want to do. I want to go to my app, which is View app, View apps, seed into View apps. Okay, and then I want to go to View app, and I want to go to Advanced. Okay, so I'll open the app by saying npm run serve. Now my app is starting. So it'll just take a couple of seconds. So it's open at localhost 8080. So I'll just quickly go to my Chrome and say Google Host 8080. So this app is open. So yeah, here is my app, and here is all the codes that I have written. So what you do in Vue is that you have the template, and then you write your HTML code in your template section, and then you have script where you write your script section where you write your JavaScript, and then you have your style where you write your style. And so this is what the Vue is. This is how you write application. So now, as you can see that it's not working, and the reason for this is that I haven't started my backend server yet. And so let me start my backend server by running the command JSON server dash dash watch, and it's db slash database dot JSON. Oh, I meant to say JSON server. JSON server watch db slash database.json. So our backend is open, and so if I refresh it, okay, so in any full stack app, what you need to have is what they call the CRUD, which is create, read, update, and delete. That is the hallmark of any full stack app, and so I'll show you, or I'll demonstrate to you all the CRUD functionality right now. So it's basically create to do apps. This is what the developers look for when they have interviews to create to do app where you can show the create, read, update, and delete, because that's how most of the applications work, no matter what kind of applications they are. So I created that app right after our interview because I was trying to get in touch with the guys, if the guys that I worked with, if they could share the source code with me, and they haven't gotten back to me yet. I guess they're busy, but as soon as I get from them the source code, I'll be sharing with you guys. But meanwhile, I want to share with you this app that I've just created in a matter of 30 minutes right after our interview. So um, the app is that in the task, let's say that I add a task. I say that I need to take my dog for a walk, and I say that walk the dog, and that's a task. And then I write a description when I want to do that and say, I need to take my dog for a walk at 5 p.m. All right, so as soon as I submit it, as you can see that the page refreshes automatically, and then you have walk the dog, what I've entered. And then let me just add another one just to show you in the web in the better way. So I said that feed the cat. No, feed, yeah, feed the cat. Let's say I need to feed my cat at 10 p.m. So here is that. So as soon as I click on this task option, which is walk the dog, and I click on it, and as you can see that it's a description that I've written, and it's toggleable, which means that you can turn it on, you can turn it off. So if I click on it, it just goes back. If I click on it, it just shows up again. So my most favorite part is that if I click on this tick option, which means that I have completed this task, this will turn green. And if I hit this icon again, it turn red, which means that If I've completed this task, I can turn it green, and if I haven't completed it, then I can turn it red. And then here is the delete option, and if I hit that delete icon, and you can see that it's deleted. And even if I refresh my page, you can see that you can still see the one option, which means that it was changed from the backend. And then here is the edit option, and if you see that I said feed the cat, I need to feed my cat at 10 p.m. Now if I click on that edit option, you can see that the edit task is feed the cat, and then you can see the description, which is I need to feed my cat at 10 p.m. So let's say that instead of saying I need to feed my cat at 10 p.m., I say I need to feed my cat at 11 p.m. and I hit that edit button, and you can see that I need to feed my cat instead of 10, it's at 11 p.m. So in this app, I've shown all the CRUD functionality, which means you can create it, you can delete it, you can update it. And so that's how most of the applications work. And this application is responsive, which means that you can see it on any screen. For example, that if I use it on my Samsung Galaxy A8, you can see that it doesn't change. In fact, let me show you responsiveness of this website. So if I go from this is the smallest of all screens. So if I go from here, you can see that it's responsive. So if I want to click on it, you can see that it's responsive. All right.